Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I have a really exciting review for you guys, and it's from Olens, but it is a collab with Michelle Phan again. This is her second collab with Olens and I'm really excited for this one. This is called the Eclipse collection, which consists of two colors. Before we start on the full review and going in depth into this, I also have another exciting thing I want to tell you guys or mention moving forward with my lens review. I will be doing some rankings of each of the contact lens, and I thought why not bring it in this video for the first time and let me know what you guys think. The way I'm going to rank it as well is by the diameter, from the smallest to the biggest, like how enlarging it is, and the second one will be the opacity, so like how sheer looking it is on the eyes and how opaque, whether it really shows the true color. Then the last ranking will be like the variability or like the comfort, from whether it's like a casual look lens or a daily look or just special occasion, and how comfortable it is. But you guys will see as I start this video, so you guys will have a better understanding. But without further ado, let's get started. So on Michelle Phan Instagram, she is inspired by the eclipse moon when she designed this particular contact lens. She said that she wanted the color to feel almost like watercolor melting into your natural iris. It softly blends with your natural eye color while the halo catches the light in the prettiest way, so it's subtle but still captivating for full glam or everyday look. I would say it's the same for French Aurora as well, so both of them have this eclipse moon inspired look to it, literally like a skinny eclipse moon shape, which I feel like it's leaning much more towards to a way natural eye look, but also subtle and obvious at the same time. As I show you guys a close-up, you guys will see a clearer picture of it, but for now I just wanted to mention the design. The graphic diameter for this one is 13.1mm, and if you guys are curious the diameter differences between this and her previous collection, Moonrise collection, is only different by 0.1. This one is much more larger by just 0.1, but for myself, when I put it on, I don't really see too much of the differences because it's only by 0.1, but you can definitely see a little bit of enlargement to it. Going to the colors, we're going to talk about Hazel Aurora first, which is the hazel color, obviously. With this one, it gives you like a really nice shimmer shade on your eyes, but also really reminds you of when you look at the moon. Something about this is just so attractive, but at the same time very natural looking. If you guys remember the Olens Real Ring, where it has that really bold dark brown color, and then on the inside you have that hazel golden color, imagine that to like a complete full blur out, and you have that border blend into the color of the inside as well, and a little bit of gradient and a bit of whitish eclipse moon on the inside. You will get this particular shade, which I absolutely love, because if you guys are my long-term follower, you would know that I have like a love-hate relationship with Olens Real Ring, and I feel like the brown is just doesn't blend into my eyes at all. However, this particular Hazel Aurora is just so beautiful looking. I can't help but keep staring at it. It is not the most obvious hazel color. For me, it leans much more toward like a darker brown, but I absolutely love the design of it. I love that it gives like a subtle brightness with the white rim in between the border and the inside of the color. What is really unique about this color as well is that the pattern, it's just so plain looking. It looks really basic, but when you put it on your eyes, it just gives you this really milky, dreamy look to it as well, which I absolutely love. And I see myself using this as like a daily contact lens if they do stock it in the daily disposable contact lens, but for now they're only doing monthly one. Now, going to the Moon Lavender one, guys. Oh, I love my purple, as you can see, my purple bottle. And seriously, guys, this too, the colors are matching. I absolutely love purple contact lens because it's so rare but unique at the same time, and I always try to find like a purple lens that is variable and also like a natural looking. And you know, the closest one I could think of was like the French Lavender that Olens has released, but again, it's not like subtle looking enough that you can wear on a daily basis. This particular purple one, guys, it is I love this more than the Moonrise Mauvey Pink now. I used the Mauvey Pink a lot during my travel and a lot this year, but I can definitely tell you that this can be like my new favorite as well, even if they only have it in a monthly wear, because I love it that much. Let's talk about the design. Something about this, the border itself, again, it has that thin limbo ring. It has like a dark black grayish tone to it. Going on the inside, you get that subtle white eclipse moon brightness to it, and the purple itself, guys, I don't know, I'm not good with my purple shade, but I can tell you it's this color, but also a bit of combination of like a darker gray, and everything just blends so nicely together. If you are wanting to try a purple or lavender shade contact lens, this would be the first one I would recommend for you guys to try, because from a distance you can't tell I'm wearing a purple one, and when you go close up you can definitely see that I am wearing a purple one, and I absolutely love it a lot, guys. Like, this is going to get like high ranking for my ranking one because I love the color of it, and Michelle Phan definitely perfect this particular shade because it's so unique but natural at the same time, and I can definitely see why she say it can be like a daily wear but also a night look wear, because depending how you do your makeup look, you can change the way you wear this contact lens, and I love it so much. So overall, I'm really happy with both of these contact lenses, but if I have to recommend one, I would definitely recommend this lavender shade because I find it so unique and she really did a really good job. But you want something soft tone natural, definitely try the Aurora one. But honestly, if you can try both, definitely try both because you will definitely love this. I'm going to briefly mention the Moonrise collection, and I've done videos of this as well, but I wanted to show you guys the 3 colors in this Moonrise collection in case you guys have missed it. So the previous collection that Michelle Phan has created consists of 3 colors: dew gray, fawn brown, and mauvey pink. Like I said, with this diameter, it is 13.0mm, and the design itself is completely different to the Eclipse one. This particular one she created back in like 2023, and it's much more of a bolder look, brighter, foxy looking look. Okay, so you don't really get too much of a border on the outside, but you get a lot of pattern going on the inside. On the bottom part you get the swirly pattern, and on the top you get a stripy pattern. This one also have that crescent moon look, which is the swirly part, which is much more obvious. And this particular collection, you can see the color differences is much more obvious, not as blendable or smooth as the Eclipse, but again it looks gorgeous on the eyes, especially the mauvey pink shade. I absolutely love the mauvey pink one, but again with this one it's definitely much more obvious looking than the Eclipse. So you can see that her design is like completely different. If you guys want me to do like a full Michelle Phan collection video with all the details again, please let me know. I'm happy to redo the video where I'll compile both collections together and review for you guys if you guys are interested. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it's helpful. If you have any questions, put it down below. But yeah, definitely get your hands on this because it might be just limited edition, so you might as well grab it before it's gone. Anyway, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.